Hi, this is Scott Roberton and welcome to the 2019 St. Petersburg Boat Show. Today we're going to feature the Ocean Alexander 70E and we're going to walk you through the whole boat here. So join me to start out on the aft deck. As you make your way up the stairs here, this is a very, very wide aft deck. The boat's beam is 18.2 and you got great seating across the back. We've got a teak table, all teak flooring. And here we have a really nice wet bar, TV above. As you open this here, you have a really nice refrigerator with an ice maker. As we make our way into the salon, we've got a really nice stainless electric door here. As you make your way in, both sides we have couches. And really nice for entertaining with big natural light windows. Above is a 50-inch television that drops down. This layout is an open galley format. So over here on your starboard side, you've got a galley that is set up with everything you need, from dishwashers to a full oven, upright refrigerator with cold drawer freezers, convection microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, everything you really need for a full galley like you'd have at home. Just forward of your galley is a really nice dinette. This dinette here, this table opens up and you can feed anywhere from 6 to 8 people. It's got bar stools that fit in here as well. Just across from the dinette is our lower helm. This vessel is equipped with 2 helms, one here and one on the flybridge. The Garmin screens are both 24-inch. You got your bow thruster controls here, your shifters and throttle controls. What's really nice is we put this skid chair in, and this skid chair allows you to have a docking station with your Volvo engines, as well as autopilot controls. This vessel is equipped with twin 1350 Volvo IPS engines, as well as 2 23 kW generators. So let's make our way down to the staterooms. There's 4 staterooms and 3 heads, with the master being midship. As you make your way down through the stairs into the lower companionway, the first thing you're going to pass by on your way to the master is a washer and dryer. 2 separate units, which makes it nice. As you walk into your full beam master, you're going to notice large windows again in here that allows a lot of natural light in. King size bed. A really well appointed walk-in closet with drawers that are lit, as well as hanging room for dresses. On the port side, we have a little lounger as well as a vanity as well. As you make your way forward into the stateroom, the master head is actually a really nice size. You got dual sinks and a full walk-in shower that's very, very deep. So if you're 6'3", 6'4", you're going to very easily get into the shower. So just forward of the master stateroom, on the starboard side, is one of our guest rooms. These are 2 single beds the way you have it set up today. This bed on this side will slide over and another end table will appear over in that corner. So you can set this up to be partially close to a queen size bed or have 2 singles. Across the hallway, this stateroom is one of our other guests and it has bunk beds. Now this guest room, as well as the one we just showed you, have their head, which also acts as the day head, which has a complete separate shower as well. Now just forward of these 2 staterooms is our main VIP stateroom. A lot of natural light in here with port side hall windows on your port and your starboard. You also have a closet on each side of this stateroom, which is all cedar lined. So now as we make our way from the staterooms, we're going to go up to the bridge so you can see the layout of that. Before we make our way up to the stairs, we actually have a door here on the port side. Nice size hinge you can see here, but it makes it for very easy opening and closing of this door, which leads you either to the aft deck or up to the bow. As you make your way up the stairs to the bridge, this boat's equipped with a stairwell inside the boat as well as one on the aft deck, which makes it very unique. One of the areas of the boat we'll show you toward the end is the hydraulic swim platform on the aft deck. So what that allowed us to do is we don't have a davit up here, which gave us extra seating on this 70-foot boat. So with this bridge, it's going to have the volume of more of like an 80-footer up on the bridge. So as we walk back, and then we'll show you up front, got a really nice sized bar here. And in this bar, we have another refrigerator and an ice maker. You have storage behind this right on this side, and then across you're going to have another refrigerator and an ice maker. So between the bridge and the aft deck, you're going to have 3 refrigerators that have ice makers built into it with a separate ice maker as well. As you make your way to the back of the bridge here, you're going to notice this very large U-shaped seating that we have up here. We also have a really nice sunshade above us to give us shade from the sun. Now just forward is your upper helm. Again, this area will have your bow thruster controls, your shifters as normal, also dual 24-inch screens. And then we also have the joystick docking remote here, as well as your autopilot. Now one area we'll visit here shortly is the bow. But to go ahead and give you a bird's eye view of it from the flybridge, that is really has some nice seating down there, as well as a canopy above it as well to shade that area. So let's make our way down to the aft deck, and then we'll walk around to the bow. Stairs are really nice and easy to get up and down, and they're all teak. One thing you'll notice is how nice and wide these walkarounds are and how easy they are to get around. So as you make your way forward, this area is really set up nice. So you have a large teak table here, you got great seating on this side, and then forward of that is a sun pad. But this entire backrest right here for the sun pad moves forward, so now you can seat somewhere between 6 to 8 people up here. So as we move around this side, get your anchor, which is there, the chain windlass. One thing you'll notice is the canopy over this seating area. You have 4 stainless posts. So what we're going to do is make our way back to the aft deck, how nice and wide these walkarounds are, and then we're going to show you the hydraulic swim platform, and then we're going to walk you in the engine room. Right here is a really nice cleat that we have for docking, and then as well as this is the capstan for on high days with winds. You actually can use this to help you bring the boat into the dock. So as you make your way down below, you're going to notice here we have a hydraulic swim platform that holds 1,500 pounds. Now let's make it down to the engine room. The first part of this is going to be a cruise quarters. So on the port side, we have a captain's bed, we have a toilet and full shower for this area. And then forward of that is going to be our engine room. Like we mentioned earlier, these are twin Volvo 1,000 horsepower 1350 IPS Volvo engines. We have twin Kohler 23 kW generators, one on your starboard and then one on your port as well. But as you look through here, you can really see how well designed this engine room is and how easy it is to get around it. So we want to thank you very much for taking the time and joining us for the walkthrough of the 70E Ocean Alexander at the St. Pete Boat Show, and this is a 2020 model. Look forward to seeing you at the show.